At Novo Precision, we're using 3D printing to bring ideas to life faster than ever. Our technology lets us design, test, and refine complex parts without the long wait times or high costs of traditional manufacturing. We create everything from custom tooling and fixtures to precision components, all with incredible accuracy and consistency. Whether it's a quick prototype or a full production run, our 3D printing capabilities give you flexibility and speed without sacrificing quality. At the end of the day, it's about turning imagination into something real. Right here at Novo Precision, where innovation takes shape